Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing essentials. Check Mainstage version and set your audio interface sample rate to match backing tracks. Create a new concert and pick empty concert to remain flexible. Once done, open the audio and MIDI preferences and assign inputs and outputs. Make sure your buffer size balances latency and stability, typically 128 to 256 samples. You should also enable MIDI devices you'll use for transport control. These first steps put you into a stable environment so importing tracks behaves predictably. Now import your backing tracks. Drag WAV or AF files onto playback channel strips and name them clearly. You'll want separate playback strips per track so you can control volume, pan, and crossfade independently. Once loaded, add aux strips for click, monitor mixes, or subgroups and route track outputs to those buses. Next map play, stop, next, and previous to your MIDI foot switch or controller so you can trigger tracks hands-free. This mapping gives you live control and reliable workflow during performance. Finish by arranging your setlist and assigning patches or snapshots to recall channel states between songs. Run a full rehearsal. Listen for level balance, tweak fades and pre-roll, and align the click to the grid so transitions feel tight. Make sure outputs to monitors and FOH are correct. If something goes wrong, audio dropouts or glitches, first check buffer size and sample rate mismatch. Then verify USB power for interfaces and disable unnecessary background apps. This closes the loop so your backing tracks perform reliably live.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.